Sunlight dances on the waves, a sapphire turquoise dream. Down below the ocean caves hold secrets yet unseen. Tonga's waters, pure and bright, a world of wonder waits. A living story brought to light beyond the island gates. Dive in deep, let your spirit soar. Feel the ocean's embrace. Learn the history and explore this stunning wondrous place. Swim and laugh and feel so free beneath the shimmering blue. Come to Tonga, just you wait and see. Magic waiting for you. Nuku'alofa calls your name, a vibrant island town. When you arrive, don't be the same. Let adventure bring you around. For easy travel, head our way. VPC is here for you. Rent a car and start today. Amazing things to view. Dive in deep, let your spirit soar. Feel the ocean's embrace. Learn the history and explore this stunning wondrous place. Swim and laugh and feel so free beneath the shimmering blue. Come to Tonga, just you wait and see. Magic waiting for you. Drive to beaches white and clean with palm trees swaying high. Explore the depths of Anahulu where wonders gently lie. Among the Maui stones so grand, history comes alive. Immerse yourself hand in hand with all that Tonga can give. From shore to cave and ancient site, our cars will see you through. VPC is your guiding light throughout your journey true. We're with you every step of the way. Your very popular cars. So come to Tonga and today reach for the distant stars. Dive in deep, let your spirit soar. Feel the ocean's embrace. Learn the history and explore this stunning wondrous place. Swim and laugh and feel so free beneath the shimmering blue. Come to Tonga, just you wait and see. Magic waiting for you. Welcome to Tonga, welcome home. Let the magic always roam. VPC, your trusted guide. Enjoy the journey far and